Hello, in this video, we will be comparing Miro and LucidSpark. So these two digital whiteboard tools are competing closely in 2025. So Miro, it offers an expansive toolkit for teams to brainstorm, wireframe, mind map, and collaborate in real time. It's loaded with templates, integrations, and features that support both creative and technical planning across departments. On the other hand, LucidSpark is a product by the team behind LucidChart. It focuses on team brainstorming, ideation, and real-time collaboration. LucidSpark includes sticky notes, comments, reactions, and structured collaboration features like voting, timers, and group views. So you will use Miro if you would want more flexibility, template variety, and broader integrations. You will use LucidSpark if you're already using LucidChart and you would want a whiteboard that fits right into your workflow. So both of these are really great, but Miro tends to be more feature rich overall. And that's basically it. If you found this comparison helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.